Testing, testing. That's new. All right. So we took out major sell side. If we were to retrace, oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. This possibly here, we haven't officially made a swing low. Technically, we would have to wait. Actually, this low took out this low, so we would need like an extra couple of candles, but let's just see. Possibly even retrace into this daily first, because we have some dailies to be up there. Let's see, I'm gonna notate that too. Okay, pulling up. Okay, so we have this daily SIBI. Gonna see if it responds and continues lower. Because we took out a major sell side liquidity, I wonder if we're gonna actually kind of head for the highs instead. So some buy side. So I want to see if we can get up in the top of this. We haven't so far, but I think now could be the time. We have news. It is the last day of the month. News at 10 a.m. It is an FP. So, oh, we also have this BISI currently acting as an inversion fair value gap. So we would have to get back above it for it to turn back into a regular BISI. So those are the two primary PD arrays that I'm keeping eye on. We can delete some of this other stuff, like this low that I was using yesterday. And then we have these relatively equal highs that they left. So let's notate that. Which is basically just the top, though, of the 1 hour BISI. So I don't want too much on my chart. I'm going to delete this 15-minute, no longer prevalent. What is this? That has to be a 1 minute. Oh, that's my entry from yesterday. Okay, so go back to the 15-minute. So we're looking to get price up above here. I want to see it do what it's doing right now, respecting this BISI. Oh, that's not even a BISI technically because of this big old wick. Let's fib that big old wick. We're getting back above consequential encroachment, so that's good. We're getting back into this 1 hour SIBI, so that's good. Trying to see if we can take it higher, possibly close in this range. Let me see. That is an order block. Trying to see if it could even go up to here, but let's start here. So I will notate that because it's the top. It has a lot going on at this level. It's the top of the 1 hour, currently inversion, fair value gap. Order block, low key. Let me see. We're calling this a buy side liquidity. It's a lot going on at this level here. Maybe we can get above it. I say that because if we're going to enter around here soon, that's about 30 handles, possibly taking it to here, about 200. Possibly getting into somewhere here. Let's see what we got for the new week opening gap. The opening range gap. Regular trading. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So what like, whose fair value gap is this that we currently in? Is there a way that I can like note this? Put on some notes? Ordinance visibility. Nope. Okay, so whose is this? This is yesterday's fair value gap. I mean, opening rate gap that we're currently in, although we filled it completely. Okay, so we're back in it. This is closing price. So it's not a premium gap. So it opens, possibly continue to go lower, which is in the opposite direction of our bias to go higher. Okay, so let's go back. Let me log in. Okay, so we should be good if we do decide to enter, not forcing an entry. So let's drop down 5 minutes. We respected this, took the high, came down, disrespected that, back into it. So yeah, where's the near side? Sell side, buy side. Buy side was taken, sell side was taken, buy side was taken. No sell side was taken yet. So these two levels. Yeah. Those two levels here and here, which I already have some notation around it. We got sell side under here too. So this has been smooth, made jagged. These are smooth now too. So not gonna force the buy because it may not want to. So we're just gonna watch price. See what it wants to do. I have here and I have here. So what is it telling us? Going lower. Not spending a lot of time. So, I mean, it's went into the upper quadrant once, still rejecting it though. In the direction of our opening range gap too, so we'll see. It is a big opening range gap though. Not forcing nothing. Okay if we don't enter. Still working this wick on the 15-minute. Oh yeah. Looks like it's rejecting that level. Wonder what's here on the opening range gap base. I mean, yeah, the regular trading hours. Just back within the range. Okay. I'm gonna keep an eye on that for sell side because this has been made jagged. This one too. So we'll see. Mm. Okay, just going back up again. What did it take? Some sell side, minor sell side. I see a SIBI in there. Let's see what it does. 1 minute left until opening range gap. Not, it's rejecting that SIBI. That's too bearish. Oh my goodness gracious. There goes the opening range. Let's see. Buy side taken first, crazily. Really don't know what to do when it does this, like overlapping. Of fibs, you know? Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, this level. I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger. So it stands out to me on this level. That was my first buy side liquidity. And then into the rest of the 15-minute here, if it's gonna want to fill it, or just sweep to take out this. But it took major sell side Alrighty, so let's frame the idea of it wanting to go higher. So we just took it. We would need a fair value gap aside from that one. We do want to see how it respects that one. So we just took buy side again. Let's see if that's going to be a sweep or if we're going to fill it in, which is on the daily chart. Yeah. Got a couple roadblocks that new that event horizon. Okay, so we swept it. In order to even try to sell, I'm going to delete this. That's distracting me. Uh, Even if we wanted to sell, we would need like a displacement for sure. Or confirmation to take it to some of these lows. Well, let's see. Okay, let's see how it looks in this one. This see. We're back in the lower quadrant of the 1 hour SIBI. We again rejected, thus inverting, still inverting the 1 hour BISI after taking buy side. We could want to reach lower, but how low? Simply to take a sell side or to go all the way to that 15-minute sell side. So far, we're respecting that BISI, 1 minute BISI. We overshot it a little bit though, not on a closing basis. Cause like here, so let's see how this next candle operates. No, no, it looks like we're respecting it. I think we're gonna go higher. Still 34. Sometimes I gotta wait till 9:40. We're touching, and I don't know, I think I like it. You wanna try it? Top of the 1 hour. I think I like it. Oh, it's kind of late. Because I liked it here. Oh well, whatever. So let's try to figure out how. So we're gonna trail it. Let's make. That's not bad. 66 candles. First objective. First objective there, but I mean, I would like to see if it can go take the buy side, but I just don't know if I should hold it because we got to get past the first horizon. I can trail it as we go. Stop loss here. See what those parameters are. It's still early. Typically like to wait until around 9:40. I wonder if this is full moon. Oops. This is 1 to 1. So right now I'm entering off of the 1 hour BISI because I thought we reclaimed it by closing here, closing back inside. It's not looking like it. It's not official. This is our inversion thus far Oh no, we're not. We're still in the upper quadrant. So let's see. If we are bullish, it wouldn't need to put a body. Make sure I'm not overlooking the cells. Cells, I haven't got a displacement for it yet. But it did just take out another buy side. That's all I got for the cells. Opening the top of that 1 hour again, which has been inverted, so that's not good. Because that's what I was basing my entry off of. This blue 1 hour. I want to see it get back up and above it. I do like that. I do like that. I do like that. Ideal terminus is like up here. Where's that 15-minute? Oh, it's over here. That's a really high terminus, but if we're bearish, why would I want to see it go there? Well, we have the daily SIBI up in there too. I'm gonna trail it, but like ideal terminus, low-key here. But I'm gonna trail my stop, which is I'm using as partials. Oh, man, dang it, thought we were doing good. So we didn't close outside, so that's not good. That is not good. We're just walking all over that. 1 hour busy, still inverted. So gotta get back above it. At least I like the fact that we're spending a lot of time in the 1 hour SIBI in the upper quadrant. That's good. I'm trying to make sure I'm not ignoring any signs of bearish. It's because I haven't seen a bearish displacement just yet, but it could be formulating that because we also don't have a first presented fair value gap either. Simply going based off of this 1 hour, which I thought we had reclaimed, but not quite official. I'm liking that. I just want to see it kind of like do this, but not get back in it. So we're officially back above it. It's been reclaimed once again on the lower time frame. Retesting it. Want to see it push off of it. I think I'm gonna lower risk. Is it too soon? I haven't seen any major displacement, but I would like to send it here. I don't know if it's too soon though. I say it may be too soon because we haven't had any push off of it yet. So I don't want to squeeze it, but I do want to reduce my risk. It just touched a major higher time frame. Event horizon. We did again take buy side. And we are currently inside of this 15-minute. I don't know how much more we can ask from it. because it is giving us pullback for the after taking. The only reason why I'm buying today is because we took that major sell side liquidity. So I was expecting, like on the daily time frame, major, right? So I'm like, okay, well, probably got to retrace a little bit, take out some daily buy side maybe, but we are extremely bullish and we just tapped into that. So let's just continue to read price. I still want to see big candles and it's struggling for it. It's 9:42. We are back above the 1 hour. Hopefully we can stay above that 1 hour BIST. Because that is what I'm entering off of. Oh, I like that. I think I'm going to reduce some risk now. If I can push above the event horizon, that'll be good. Spending time touching it. I don't have much time today because I do have to leave at 10. So I may have to close it sooner, like at the very low hanging fruit, because I don't have time to continue to trail it. What's next? Yeah, we still got some time and opportunity. Let me see, what's this? Just in case. What is that? Okay. That's my next roadblock. If we can get past this event horizon. Oh, well, we're touching back on this BIST, 1 hour BIST. I did not want to see it come back inside of it. Definitely don't want to see it come up out of it again. No, not liking that. Well, that's it. We tried to get it to the buy side. But it looks like it's just strong bearish. That could be the displacement for the bears. Oh, I thought I was going to take my low. Oh, what? What's happening? 45, 9:45. Oh, news. News. Do we even have a first presented for value gap yet? No. Well, that's good signs for me. Came back in it. And I mean, came back in and pushed back off of it. That's good. I don't know what ticks are. I'm just using that to so I don't look at money. I have no idea what ticks are. I'm not gonna try to figure it out either because that'll defeat the purpose. I like that push. I think I want to reduce some risk to more. This might become our first fair value gap. This thing is getting on my nerves. Should I reduce some risk some more? I don't want to get too ahead of myself. Yeah, let's do it. I don't even know where the bottom of there. I might be worrying about the wrong thing right now. Maybe having to take my profits. I think I might just take my profits. Let me just get my original. No. Yeah. Oof. Um. Eh. 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 Maybe just mm, here we go. How much is the 68 handles originally if I were to close it here? You know, snaps. Where was it originally? I'm gonna close it. It's 47. Mm. Because I gotta leave soon. Just let's just wait a little bit. So let me move my ideal TP just to here. And then let's just cover risk entirely. It could possibly come down there though, because there's a fair value gap there. Currently we are what was this? Oh yeah, the 15-minute first roadblock. If I close it now, it's because I'm trying to be greedy and capitalize. Because I can see it. Let's just close it because I can see it coming back, and I don't. Okay. Now we're in the second. Don't want to squeeze it too much. Just touched Monday's first presented fair value gap. Hey, there we go. There we go. We're out. We're out. Yay. There we go. Done and done. Ideal terminus was up here, but that's cool. That is cool if we don't get it. That's good. That's good trading. That's good trading. I gotta head off soon. I'm going to take some notes on my trading. So today is 31. So what did I see? We took major sell side liquidity on the daily. So we took major sell side on the daily. I woke up to retracement, which made sense for price to seek some kind of buy side liquidity. I noticed a daily SIBI, which could be the draw, and yesterday's 1 hour buy side liquidity could be the draw. I was a little timid given the relatively equal lows on the 1 hour and how the 15-minute relatively equal highs were made jagged. I saw price had respected bullish PD arrays and we were currently in two opposing PD arrays with the opening range gap showing bear. Caused me to question bullish bias for the day. I told myself to watch how price treated the 1 hour SIBI and 1 hour inversion BISI. 9:30 happened. Beautiful. 9:30 happened. Price shot up and took buy side liquidity on 1 minute. Made me nervous. It'll go for 1 minute sell side liquidity. But it didn't come out of 1 hour SIBI. Then reclaimed 1 hour BISI. Then inverted it again. But kept spending time in current upper quadrant of the 1 hour SIBI. Which gave me indication to hold on. I liked when it made its way out of the 1 hour BISI and started to give way. Trailed stop for partials. Saw some speed bumps, but held to low hanging fruit target. I have to leave before 10 a.m. so I couldn't trail anymore. So secured fits. Will continue to monitor if price can take yesterday's 1 hour buy side liquidity, which is also near a low of the daily SIBI. Okay, so that's where I'm gonna leave it. Oh, I didn't say how I liked what I liked. I like how I trusted the 1 hour PD arrays for entry. Do we even get a first presented fair value gap? We did, but didn't really use it. I liked how I trusted the 1 hour PD arrays, and I feel better about how I trailed my stop loss, especially when 945 yellow folder made me into draw down major and made me question if I was offside. 945, where was that? So quickly after the pullback, it went right back up to reclaim the 1 hour BISI I used to enter, giving me confidence to hold. Continued to trail stop after positive displacement. Cool. Awesome. It's looking like it might hit my terminus, ideal terminus, which is good. I could have held for. If I would have trailed my stop. I don't even know. Probably after this one, I would have moved it from here, probably to here. And then after we respected that, I probably would have moved it to here. Yeah, who knows? But I'm liking how that went.